Taking a peek at the key fob for the Jeep Grand Cherokee. So you've got your Jeep icon along the very back side. Along the side of the fob, that's where you're going in order to get to the emergency access key. So if you ever needed to unlock the vehicle because the fob's died, lock the glove box, whatever the case may be, that's where you're going in order to make it happen. Now, from there, you've got your unlock button, lock button, remote start, trunk release, Horner panic alarm as well. So in order to be able to remote start the vehicle, it doesn't actually need to be locked. All you have to do is press the circle button twice. You can see there, remote started. To cancel the remote start, you press that circle button there again once, and that cancels the remote start for you. If you wanted to get into the trunk of the vehicle, you push this button twice. And then there's also another neat little fob trick that you can use, and that's rolling the windows down using the key fob. In order to do it, you press the unlock button twice, and on the second button press, you're going to hold. So you're going to go 1, 2, and hold. You can release it in order to pause it, or double press again in order to keep the cycle going, which is pretty neat. Now, it's only power down, it's manual backup, but still a really neat feature. It does have to be turned on through the infotainment system though in order to use.